Why are there not more people talking about how dogs can see colors? Or why they make the best therapists with tails? Believe it or not, your adorable pup shares 99.9% of its DNA with wolves. Yep, next time you catch Fido howling at the moon, you'll know why. Chuckle. But that's not all. Dogs are amazing at detecting emotions. Studies show they can read your facial expressions and even sync with your mood. No wonder they're called man's best friend. Need a babysitter? Some breeds, like golden retrievers and Labradors, are fantastic with kids, offering companionship and protection. And guess what? Dogs do see in color. While not as vivid as humans, they can distinguish blues and yellows. So, your doggo's sunny yellow ball is indeed a favorite. Want your dog to be as well-behaved as a service dog? Check out our K9 Dog Training Workshop. It's a first-of-its-kind online workshop that helps you housebreak your dog, stop bad behaviors, and train them using the same methods as professional service dog trainers. Ready to transform your furry friend? Head to k9ti.org/r/snazzyblueway/free-workshop/now. Show text on a separate page with a white background and images of dogs.